guys, this is Epsitech and today I'm making a video about one of the best, or I mean, this is the world's best tablet you can buy at the moment. It was out 2 weeks ago if I'm not mistaken, and it's an outstanding tablet. You are wondering why should I use a tablet, because today we have the mobile phones that can do almost everything that a tablet does with a small screen, but what I'm gonna show you today is something different that Samsung has applied to this tablet. But before speaking about the specifications in all these details, let's check it out and open the box. Okay, so you receive the tablet, the manual, USB Type-C cable to charge the tablet, and yes, this is one of the difference. You will receive a pen for this tablet. Okay, let's remove the pen and see how it works. In this pen you've got the button, you press it to write it down, and now let's check it out, the tablet. Okay guys, what I can see for my first impression is that the tablet is really beautiful. As you can see, it's got glass in both of the sides. You have to be careful not to break it. But the tablet is really awesome. The only thing that you see is that we're gonna have some issues. It's normal with the fingerprints, and we always have to be cleaning the tablet because it's so shiny. When we turn on the tablet, you see this beautiful image. You've got a screen, a Super AMOLED screen with so fantastic colors. I mean, I'm just looking at it and I'm just falling in love with this screen. Look how beautiful this screen is. Just the colors, all the things you see here. I mean, you've got 4 speakers in this tablet, 2 on top, 2 on down. You can check it out. As you can see, one here, the other here, and if we turn around, you will see other here and another here. Okay, so you've got the connection for jack 3.5 and obviously the USB Type-C for charge, or if you want to, for example, use a monitor, you can turn on the USB Type-C here and connect to the monitor, and you will have the image on a monitor, which is awesome. Other thing that I must say is that this stereo sound is tuned by AKG. AKG was a company that was bought by Samsung, was a company that had a connection with Arma Kardon. So as you can see, the audio, if you want to see some movies here, this tablet will be outstanding.
I understand how to control this place. I understand a lot of things now. You need to understand. You've lost.
Yeah, we have.
Okay, and the other thing is about the pen. What can you do with this pen? Let's check it out. So as you can see, we're gonna press here, and you can choose which type. I'm sorry, this is in Portuguese, but you can choose what you want to do. For example, if you want to write a note, if you want to write on the screen, let's for example create a note. Okay, this is the note, and now I can just let me. Okay, and note. This is a test. Really awesome. Okay, one of the things that I really like about this pen is you don't need to have your tablet turn it on to write a note. For example, you just can press it here, but we'll assume that later, so let me show you. Try to make more videos. As you can see, really simple to write a note. This is what you write it down, then you just have to keep it, and it's done. You already made a note. And now that you have seen all these specs, I'm gonna leave all the specifications here. You see, I'm gonna leave here just for you to can check it out. You can have many options for this tablet. You can have, for example, 64 gigabytes, or you have more. You can increase this type of memory, but let me just show you what we can do more with this. This is one of the things that Samsung applied to this tablet that will make you want it if you are working and if you are in the production level. This will be converted in just check it out, this guy. Yes, as you imagine, I'm gonna convert this tablet now in a PC. I mean, I'm gonna have a PC now. Just look at this, guys. Isn't it fantastic? You've got the keyboard, you can connect the Bluetooth mouse, so you will interact with the tablet with the Bluetooth mouse. You can connect it, so it's really awesome. And you're gonna have a production tablet here. One of the things they even think about this pen, just look at this. You can put the pen here and it's on. But this is not everything, because this tablet can change for DeX mode. And what is DeX mode? Let me show you. How can you use this keyboard with a great production Android system? It's really easy. You just have to activate the DeX mode in this tablet. Let's see. You just have to increase this, and you've got here Samsung DeX, as you can see. Let's activate. You activate Samsung DeX and it's on. Now it's in production mode. As you can see, it's different. You've got here, for example, Excel, PowerPoint, Word. You've got a lot of applications. Remember, this is Android, so it's not Windows, but many applications will work on this system. And for example, the keyboard is exactly as using a keyboard on the computer. You can, for example, search on Google. Let's see, for example, FC Tech. Okay, and here they are, all the videos from my channel. Well, guys, as you can see, you can use the keyboard. You can use this in Android DeX, which is the correct position to use it for production. And if you want to change it again, you just have to press here and remove Samsung DeX. It will convert again to the normal Android system that we've got in the beginning of the video. As you can see, it's right here. So now that you have seen what this tablet can do, it can do a lot of things. Not just a regular tablet, as you see. You can convert this in a PC. You can, for example, put the image. You can, for example, connect this image to a monitor, and you can use a monitor with a keyboard and a mouse, Bluetooth mouse. I mean, it's got everything you need for a PC. The only thing, remember that this will be Android. Even on DeX mode, it will be Android. So you will have some restrictions when using applications. But for most of us, we will not have any issues using this for production and for a daily use, for writing notes, check emails, write emails. It's super easy. It's outstanding. It's got a really awesome screen. I only can recommend to anyone that are thinking in buying a laptop, or this will be one of the biggest game changes I've seen on this kind of tablets. So guys, this is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me here on Instagram. And as always, bye bye and see you soon. Let's start working. Oh, let's check it.